The Crow and the Pitcher. Once upon a time, during a hot, dry summer, a thirsty crow was flying over the countryside searching for water. The sun beat down, and the poor crow's throat was parched. After a long while, he spotted a pitcher sitting in the shade of a tree. Excited, the crow flew down, hoping to find water inside. When he reached the pitcher, he looked inside and saw that there was some water at the bottom. But there was a problem. The pitcher was tall and narrow, and no matter how hard he tried, the crow couldn't reach the water with his beak. He tilted the pitcher, pushed it with his wings, and even tried sticking his beak inside, but the water was just too far down. Feeling frustrated, the crow nearly gave up. But then, he had a clever idea. He noticed some small pebbles scattered around the ground. The crow thought, if I drop these pebbles into the pitcher, the water level might rise high enough for me to reach. Determined, the crow began picking up one pebble at a time and dropping it into the pitcher. Plop, plop, plop. With each pebble, the water level rose just a little bit. The crow kept at it, picking up pebbles and dropping them in. Slowly but surely, the water rose higher and higher. At last, after many pebbles, the water was high enough for the crow to drink. He dipped his beak into the pitcher and drank deeply, quenching his thirst at last. The crow flew away, feeling proud of his cleverness and determination. He had solved the problem not by giving up, but by using his wits and patience. The end. The moral of The Crow and the Pitcher. Using your wits and thinking creatively can help you solve tough problems. The crow couldn't use brute force to tip over the pitcher or reach the water, but by thinking creatively, he found a way to make the water rise. The story teaches us that even when things seem difficult, a smart solution can make all the difference. Questions about The Crow and the Pitcher. 1. What was the crow searching for on the hot day? 2. What problem did the crow face when he found the pitcher? 3. How did the crow make the water rise in the pitcher? 4. What happened after the crow dropped enough pebbles into the pitcher? 5. What lesson does this story teach us?
Little duck.